Hey everybody, let me set you up here. All right, there we go. So I am just going to do a flip and drag today, but I'm going to attempt to do it and keep more vibrant colors instead of the pastel-y that I've been doing lately. But before I start, I want to thank some contributors to my channel through PayPal. I appreciate the donations greatly. They help me to purchase materials so that I can keep doing this. So I want to thank Valda, Teresa, and Karen at octopunks.com. So thank you very much. Just much appreciated. And let me put some gloves on. I just mixed up a new batch of white paint, which is Dutch Boy and Floetrol and water. And I think for this, because it's a tiny canvas, I'm going to use a little 1 ounce cup. As far as colors go, I think I'll use these colors. These two have silicone in them. Oh my gosh, what? I just went to put my hair behind my ear and all this dried paint just flew off my head. So there's a good chance I might have a bunch of paint in my hair. And let's do lemon yellow and orange. No. No. Green. Okay. Just gonna shake them a little. And these are mixed the same way, Floetrol and water. And as I said, just these two have silicone. So my son finally got home from Israel because they were snowed, or they couldn't get out of Newark, so they had to charter a bus and drive. So they were on a bus after their 12+ hour plane ride. They were then on a bus for another 20. But now he is home and had a wonderful time, and he's been sharing stories, and he's tired, but he's trying to stay up so that he can go to bed tonight at a normal time. And I think because I guess because with that bus ride, you know, so long, so they were up, and I haven't had any sleep because first we were told they'd be in at 4:30 a.m. So I got up at 4:30, and then it was 5:30, and then it was 6:15. And I couldn't fall asleep till 1:30. Because then when my husband came upstairs to go to bed, he's like, and I told him that I was awake, and he's like, oh, I've been watching Carpenter's videos. So then I was up watching Karen Carpenter. Like 1 in the morning. I'm in bed watching the Carpenters. This is insane. But anywho, he is home safe and had a lovely time. All the kids did. And it's weird, since his trip was extended due to the weather. My daughter's moving back out today. Well, she was sort of here for like 2 weeks from the dorms. Neither of the kids were here at the same time, so that was kind of odd. I'm going to just stir this a little. I'm not really sure about these colors. I just resin today, one of the big wooden pours, and then 2 of the smaller rounds. So I'm super excited about those. I washed them with Dawn, so hopefully that was enough. It has been, so. It always feels weird to be washing your painting in the kitchen sink, though. So my son came home with like a crap ton of Kinder eggs. We have a lot of Israeli chocolate now. And then he came home and the first thing he did was he went to Trader Joe's to buy Bamba, which I didn't know what that was, and now I do. It's very interesting. It's like peanut butter Cheetos. Well, I may not have succeeded in having it not be pastel. I guess we'll have to see where this goes. It's slowly moving back into place. I don't like that part at all. I actually brought a paintbrush out because I just kind of wanted to see what would happen. If this would be a good tool to use. I mean, a paintbrush for paint is crazy. Who would do such a thing? Looks like a monster. I really don't like it. Don't like my monster. But I do love these stripes. Which then, once again, I am not getting my vibrant colors. Now it looks definitely like an octopus. I don't really want it to look like an octopus. I do not care for this one. So I'm going pour it off. I'm not going to scrape it off because I want to use the paint on it still. Ooh, look at that. That's pretty. All right. Trying to... Don't know what color I didn't like, but I think it might have been... I'm going to leave out the green. Because the blue and the yellow will make enough. Well, so far the colors are way better. I'm just waiting kind of for this to close in. I don't know if it's going to on its own. Trying to think of which way I should move it. There's something in here. Come on. Guess we're just gonna get rid of it that way. gonna tilt over the sides, kind of on its own. Give it a little nudge. There is another something. Oh my gosh, you've got to be kidding me. Colors are interesting on this one. Bring it back to center. It's different for me. Let's see. See what the torch brings out. Oh my gosh, look at them. Wow, they are sure erupting, aren't they? It's always so fun to watch. So quite a different look, but I think I'm happy with it. It's kind of a natural, like, I don't know, it looks like rocks or something. Yeah. Look how pretty the side is. I hope you can see that. All right. So I think that one is finished. There we go. You were just trying to get you zoomed in. So thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe, and I will see you next time.